I'm high as I've ever been, higher than heaven sits. Roll up my weed and think about my exes and jealousness, how to stay current and relevant.
Yo, hey guys, it's me again, and this is how you get your brake calipers looking from this to this. Definitely added 5 horsepower, at least. So you're gonna need a few things, starting off with some WD-40 to loosen up the lug nuts, some isopropyl alcohol, how the hell do you say that, to clean the brakes, of course a few scrubbers, some sponges and some microfiber cloth so you can wipe down everything, some sandpaper if you need to sand down your calipers if the brake dust is severe and has hardened over time. You're gonna need some masking tape to mask off the area, some pipe cleaners to clean the little edges in the brake caliper that you can't really stick your finger or anything. You're gonna need some water mixed with soap so you can lubricate the area before you wipe things down on the caliper. You're gonna need a toothbrush to clean the calipers, and of course some paper towels to wipe down everything. I do recommend using some type of degreaser to help get all of that brake dust off the calipers. And of course the main thing you need is your caliper paint. So some people can use regular paint, but if you want your paint to last, you're gonna want some high temperature paint. This one is by Duplicolor. You can pick this up basically at your local auto parts store, and you will need some trash bags to cover up all the area behind the caliper, so you won't get any overspray on it. You might also need some newspaper or any type of paper to go under the area of where you're painting, so you don't get overspray on your floors or cement or your garage or wherever you're painting. So first you're gonna wanna loosen your lug nuts. These are what your lug nuts are. You're gonna loosen them. They might be pretty tight. My suggestion is if they're tight as hell, just use your weight and step on it using the tool. They might loosen up a little bit. So go ahead and take off your wheels completely. And once you do that, you can lay down your newspaper and start masking your area so you only leave the caliper exposed. Then from there, you start cleaning. So use your brush, use the degreaser, use the alcohol, use the toothbrush, use the pipe cleaners, use basically everything. Like I mentioned before, you don't want any brake dust or anything on the caliper itself, or else that will show at the end once you painted it. So to get your calipers prepped before you paint, the most important part is to get your calipers clean. And by clean, I mean squeaky clean. If there's any brake dust or any grooves or anything on the caliper itself, that's definitely gonna show when you put on the paint afterwards. So I do recommend using the alcohol. The alcohol, put it in a spray bottle or something, and that thing is probably the best solution to clean the calipers. My sister did not record me using the alcohol or some of the other items mentioned, like the degreaser or anything. She sucks at recording, but here is some cool animation so you can get the idea of what you're supposed to do. So once you've cleaned everything and your calipers are squeaky clean, you can go ahead and start painting. Of course, make sure it's completely dry. You don't want it wet. You don't want to paint it wet, then it'll start dripping. So first, give it a quick little coat. This high temperature paint really hardens really quick and dries really quick. So you can go ahead and put on medium coats, as I did right here. This was like the third caliper we did at this point, so I'm going over with some more heavier coats to start with, but it really doesn't matter how heavy the coat is. Just make sure it's not too heavy where it would drip and it would look nasty. So once you give it your first coat, let it dry, I would say about 10 to 15 minutes, and repeat with some more coats. Your last one is probably going to be the heaviest coat, so you can make sure it gets that nice color. So here's the end result. I hope you guys think it looks pretty good. All of this basically costed under 10 bucks to clean. You can use basically all your household items, like alcohol and stuff. If you don't have alcohol, you can always use like acetone, maybe even some damn nail polish remover or something. But if you are going out to the store and buying some products, try to get some brake cleaner. That might help, especially with all the brake dust that's been coated on, especially on this damn BMW that's over like 15 years at this point. It's about 15 years old, so that's a lot of brake dust coated onto these poor calipers. So make sure you just get everything nice and clean before you paint, and it should come out good at the end. Let me know what you guys think about the calipers. You might think it's a bit tacky or something, a bit ricer, but honestly, I felt like this was the best way to complete the look of the car without going like over damn like 20 bucks in modifications. So this is a very cheap mod to do, and I'll probably be doing a review on this product, the Duplicolor caliper spray, in the future. So we'll see how long it lasts, how it holds up over time, and I'll let you guys know. But I guess that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know my next video I'm gonna be painting the wheels. If you can see the pictures up close right here, you can definitely tell there's some like chemical stuff or peeling on the wheel, on the face of the wheel, and there's some damn curb rash like on basically every wheel. So this past weekend, me and my dad went ahead and painted them. We sanded it down, painted it. So I'm gonna be doing that for my next video. So stay tuned for more videos on the BMW E46. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Comment down below any suggestions, any mods that you want to see on the channel. But yeah, I guess that's about it for this video. See you guys later. Peace.